let's finish breakfast so we can clean up before Gwen gets here.
God, you always turn into a nervous wreck when it comes to Aunt Gwen.
Nonsense. Now, who wants coffee? Mouse, you take decaf, right?
I drink.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Montgomery County Emergency Management Agency. A nuclear power plant warning is being declared for the Limerick generating station, located in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. At approximately 4:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a nuclear reactor failure was reported at cooling towers 1 and 2. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has determined that the meltdown has been caused by the thunderstorm outbreak that affected northern Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, northern Delaware, and northern Maryland yesterday. If you live within a 50-mile radius of the Limerick generating station, you must evacuate immediately. Failure to do so will result in certain death. Make sure to pack the necessary supplies for your leave, as the Philadelphia metropolitan area will not be intact for at least the next 5 months. Stay tuned for further information. This is the Emergency Alert System, signing off.